Healthy wetlands are central to tackling the greatest challenges of our era. From rivers to reefs, marshes to mangroves, ponds to peatlands, they provide water and food, help us tackle climate change, and sustain biodiversity. Yet, since 1970, we've lost 22% of the world's remaining wetlands, and are continuing to lose them faster than forests. We urgently need to scale up investment to protect and restore them. However, today, efforts are held back by a critical barrier: information gaps. Data is scattered across sectors, locked in silos, or simply missing. That's why Wetlands International created the Wetland Atlas, an ambitious new tool that brings ecological, social, economic, and policy data together in one interactive platform. The Wetland Atlas shows where wetlands are, why they matter, and where the need for conservation and restoration is most urgent. Designed for government and private sector decision-makers, as well as donors and foundations, Wetland Atlas supports high-impact, nature-based solutions for climate, biodiversity, and sustainable development. It provides powerful insights for governments, planners, investors, conservationists, and local communities working to safeguard wetlands. With Wetland Atlas, users can visualize priority wetland landscapes, forecast climate and community benefits, and identify where action is most needed. Tailored insights even help quantify return on investment by estimating multiple benefits for people, nature, and our changing climate. The tool can be explored by country, region, watershed, or landscapes, with success stories and lessons to inspire action. The Wetland Atlas is currently being piloted in Africa's fragile Sahelian wetlands and is set to expand across regions. With your partnership, we can unlock smarter investments and safeguard wetlands that are vital to our shared future.